In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default location on Shopify. Before we begin, a quick note on what the default location is and why it matters. Your default location is the primary place your store uses for tasks like fulfilling orders, calculating shipping from your origin, and offering local pickup if you use it. Choosing the correct default helps keep inventory counts accurate and shipping settings consistent. Make sure the location you want to make default already exists in your Shopify account and is active. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. On the admin dashboard, look down to the lower left corner and click Settings. This takes you to the area where most store-wide configuration lives. Inside Settings, glance over to the left-hand panel and select Locations. The Locations page lists all the places where you stock inventory or fulfill orders. Near the top, you'll see a card labeled Default Location. This card shows your store's current default and is the place where you'll make the change. On the right side of the current default location, look for a button or drop-down labeled Change. Click it, and Shopify will show you a list of your available locations. Choose the new location you want to make your default. If you don't see the location you're expecting, it may be inactive, or you might not have the right permissions to adjust it. You can check with your store owner or admin to confirm access. Also, if the change option is grayed out, that usually means there's only one active location available. Once you've selected the new default, don't forget to save. Look toward the top of the page, near the search bar, and click Save. This is crucial. If you navigate away without saving, your default won't update. After saving, the default location card should immediately reflect your new selection. A few practical tips as you finalize this. Consider making the location that ships most of your orders the default to keep shipping calculations accurate. If you offer local pickup or local delivery, verify those settings still align with your new default. It's also a good idea to double-check inventory counts at the new default location so you don't oversell items that aren't stocked there. Finally, if your team is actively fulfilling orders, plan this change during a quiet period to avoid confusion. That's it. You've updated your Shopify default location in just a few clicks. Go to Settings, open Locations, choose Change next to your current default, pick the new location, and save. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.